Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we help you find out which online products are legit and which are total scams. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never fall for an online scam again. So today we're talking about a trending product, Orre Naturals. According to their website, Orre Naturals claims to detoxify clogged, inflamed follicles so your scalp can finally breathe. They also say it can reactivate dormant roots, all without any drugs, pills, or greasy oils. Sounds impressive, right? But let's find out. Is Orre Naturals really legit or just another online gimmick? The company highlights that their formula is powered by natural scalp healing ingredients and has been used by over 150,000 women around the world. They promise visible hair improvement, healthier scalp, and faster hair growth, all naturally. They even suggest it's dermatology tested and safe for all hair types. But as we all know, sometimes marketing words sound way better than the actual results. Let's dig deeper. When we checked the Orre Naturals website, here's what we found. The website design looks clean and professional. However, there's very limited information about the company's background. No clear details on who owns or manufactures it. There's also no visible address or customer service number, which can be a red flag. Some reviews online seem too positive, like copy-paste testimonials, while a few independent reviewers complained about delayed delivery and no refunds. So, while the site looks trustworthy on the surface, these missing details raise some doubts. On Trustpilot and social media, we found mixed feedback. Some buyers said they noticed mild improvement in hair texture, while others reported no results at all after weeks of use. Also, some customers claimed they were charged extra shipping fees or had trouble contacting customer support after purchase. That's a major red flag if you're planning to spend your money online. So, is Orre Naturals legit or a scam? Based on our research, the ingredients seem natural and safe. But the lack of company transparency, mixed reviews, and unclear refund policy make it risky. So, while Orre Naturals might not be a total scam, we suggest you be cautious before buying. If you really want to try it, make sure to use secure payment methods and read the refund terms carefully. And that's our honest review of Orre Naturals. Have you tried it before? Share your experience in the comments below. Your feedback could help others avoid being scammed. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and stay alert, stay safe. Because here, we make sure you don't get fooled online. Watch our latest reviews on trending hair and skincare brands. Thank you.